It's down about 5.5% in the last month. And I think if they report a strong earnings report, this stock could really take off.
If you could buy one stock right now that's down and has the potential to really bounce back, which one would you buy?
Well, I'm going to go outside of the article that I just wrote for now, because one stock that I think I'm really curious about for this week with earnings, I'm going to say Amazon. And it's a stock that I haven't been paying a lot of attention to until this year, but I'm really intrigued to see what Amazon's going to do and how they're going to report. I think they report on August 1st. That's going to be just really interesting to me. This is a convergence of not only e-commerce, but it's also AI and what they're doing there with their AWS. The stock is up for the year, so some investors might say it's not a stock that's down, but it's down about 5.5% in the last month. And I think if they report a strong earnings report, this stock could really take off. It's one I'm really intrigued at as we're heading into earnings.
Thomas, what are your thoughts on this stock? Do you think it's likely to see some growth in the near future, or you think differently?
I think that Amazon has some tailwinds blowing for it. I mean, it's got AWS, it's got the growth of the cloud, it's got the growth of AI, it's got all these new partnerships that are helping it establish its position as an AI leader. It's also got the consumer angle. I think those two parts of the business play together very well. We may not see like robust growth or outperformance right away, but I think over the next year and the coming years, Amazon will perform very well. Ultimately, I think if you were looking to buy maybe like just one stock, Amazon's a good pick because it has that diversification between the tech side and the consumer side. And those two sides, they really blend together very well. They can use all of their cloud infrastructure to support the consumer business, and all of the AI infrastructure and AI work will help them build efficiency and provide better services. So I think Amazon really is going to be a good winner.
All right, Thomas, I'm going to shoot the same question back to you, an important question. If you could pick just one tech stock to buy that's currently down right now, but going to see some great wins soon, which would you be investing in?
I think I would pick Microsoft. Microsoft has emerged as the number two player in the AI world, right behind NVIDIA. They're not making chips, but that's the only thing they're not doing. Um, they make the cloud work, they make AI work by extension. It's become a preferred vendor for cross-cloud services and for choice. They run both AMD and NVIDIA processors and accelerators. They've got new partnerships like with Oracle and with OpenAI that helps establish them as really the leader in today's current AI offerings. They're full stack. So basically it's like you can use our stuff to make AI or let us make the AI for you. They got a steady, stable business without the AI angle, cash flow, healthy balance sheet, capital returns, and the analysts are leading it higher. I think that the consensus is an all-time high. So if we hit an all-time high, that opens the door to even more highs. So yeah, Microsoft is my pick.